I, Daunivalu, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Daunivalu, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. I solemnly and sincerely promise to hold the office of the High Commissioner to the Commonwealth of Australia with honor, dignity, and integrity, and to be a true and faithful counsellor, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Commissioner, congratulations. Welcome to the...
No worries. Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
How are you? That's all right. All right.